Good morning, students. Today we will read and discuss an interesting poem. The title of the poem is The Duck and the Kangaroo, and this poem is written by Edward Lear. Children, this poem is based on two characters. One is the duck you can see in the picture, and the second is the kangaroo. They both were fast friends. One day, on the duck's request, they decided to go on a long trip. Let's read the poem to find how they went on that trip and how they enjoyed there. Said the duck to the kangaroo, "Good gracious, how you hop over the fields and the water too, as if you never would stop." Here, good gracious means, "O kind God." Hope means bound, means jump, उछलना कूदना, jump करना, leap करना. In these four lines, we read, the duck said to the kangaroo that he was surprised at his capacity to hop. Kangaroo jumps as easily over the water as it jumps over the fields. Seeing a kangaroo jumping here and there, one would one feels that he would never stop. What? Stop jumping here and there, stop hopping. My life is a bore. Bore means dull in this nasty pond. Nasty means dirty, pond means lake. तालाब और नहर भी बोलते हैं इसे. And I long to go out in the world beyond. I wish I could hop like you, said the duck to the kangaroo. Here, long means desire, wish, इच्छा किसी की. Beyond here means far off, दूर. This is a preposition. This word we had discussed in term 1 in grammar topic prepositions. The duck said to the kangaroo that he led a dull life. He lived all the time in the dirty water of the pond. The duck wished to travel to the whole world beyond that pond. He very much wished to hop like a kangaroo. Please give me a ride on your back. Ride here, a journey on an animal. Suppose horse ride like this, तो उनके लिए भी हम ride word use करते हैं. Please give me a ride on your back, said the duck to the kangaroo. I would sit quite still and say nothing but quack. The whole of the long day through. Quite here means utterly, पूरी तरह से, completely, and quack is sound made by ducks. Quack, quack. Here we read the duck requested the kangaroo to give him a ride on his back. He promised to sit very quiet. He promised that he would say nothing but only quack. But वो सिर्फ ये साउंड करेगा और उसकी टिप ऑफ द टेल पे वो आराम से बैठेगा. द डक प्रॉमिस टू द कैंगरू. He also promised that he would remain quiet and quite still all through the long day. And we would go to the Dee and the Jellybully, over the land and over the sea. Please take me on a ride. Oh, do, said the duck to the kangaroo. Dee here means name of a place. Lee is side of a hill. And oh, do, please do so. It means please do so. So it is a kind of request. The duck suggested to go to the Dee and to the mountain side called Jellybully. He wanted to travel over the land and over the sea. He makes a request to the kangaroo to fulfill his request. Which request? To take him for a ride. To fulfill his request and take him on a ride. Let's see कि उसकी request ये fulfill होती है कि नहीं. Said the kangaroo to the duck, this requires a little reflection. Perhaps on the whole it might bring me luck. And there seems but one objection. Requires here means needs, a little, a bit, थोड़ा सा. Reflection means thought, consideration, उसके बारे में सोचना पड़ेगा. Meaning is this. And on the whole it, अगर हम उसके सारे एस्पेक्ट्स को कंसिडर करते हैं, मीनिंग ऑन द होल मीन्स कंसिडरिंग ऑल एस्पेक्ट्स. बट हेयर मीन्स ओनली, देर इज ओनली वन ऑब्जेक्शन. ऑब्जेक्शन मीन्स डाउट और डिफिकल्टी. सो the kangaroo said that there is need to think about it. Think about what? Think about the plan or the request that the duck was the duck offered. What was that? To go on a ride. And considering all aspects of it, जर्नी के सारे एस्पेक्ट्स को, राइड के सारे एस्पेक्ट्स को कंसिडर करते हुए, the proposal might be lucky for the kangaroo, but there is only one difficulty, one objection. What was that? We will read and discuss in the second video.